Hey guys, welcome back. So let's get started. I don't have my tea. We're gonna have just a little bit of tea time before we get started. But guys, let me tell y'all something. I'm just gonna get this out here. When people have class, okay, when people have class, leave them alone. Just because they don't want to conform to this world and how other people are, leave them alone. Let them have that class about themselves that they've always had. Don't get upset because people don't want to conform, okay? So I hope this is for somebody because I am learning, and this goes for me in my own life. Leave me alone, okay? Leave me alone. Let me be who I am the way I have always been, okay? But guess what, y'all? Leave people alone. If they got class, let them have their class and all their style and their pizzazz. Leave them the hell alone, okay? All right, we're gonna get that out there. That's your tea time for today. So if you fall in this category, we're talking to you, okay? So anyway, guys, that's our tea time for today. And I know y'all are here for what? You guys are here for the console table, and we're gonna do that. But guys, first thing we're gonna do today, because honey, let me tell y'all something. Let me tell y'all something like right now. Don't get me wrong. I love insects, okay? A lot of people don't like insects. I love insects. That's just one of my things. I've always liked insects. But fun fact about me, she don't like killing insects. I will actually sweep them up, throw them outside, vacuum them up, throw them outside. I don't like insects. I do like insects, but you can't make me kill them. I'm not going to kill them. But a lot of you guys told me in the last video how to eliminate them. I tried last year. We had the same problem because it'd be 2 years been here. And we don't have a basement. It's just one level. It's just one level. And I think that's probably why too, but it is ridiculous, okay? It shouldn't be that many ants in here. When I go to the bathroom, there's ants in the bathtub. When I go wash the dishes, there's ants in the sink. When I go lay in my bed, there's ants on my bed. What? If I go turn on the TV, there's ants crawling on top of the TV. Get out of here. So anyway, I tried peppermint oil last year, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna turn this camera around. And I'm gonna show y'all this ants, a mass of ants all over the floor. I'm back of this couch. And I'm just tired of it, okay? So if that sounds like something y'all want to be interested in, plus we're going to do the console table. It's dry. It's been dry for maybe a few days now. And I'm going to show y'all her. We're going to style her together. And I don't know, y'all. So let's get into this video. But we're going to first start off with showing you guys these ants because this don't make no sense, okay? So hold the line, please, okay? Alrighty, guys. So you don't think I'm kidding? Guys, look at that. Everything you see here, these are dead ants. I can't take it any longer. They gotta go. Like, why are you in here? Why are you in here? Now, I'm in the living room, and I just showed y'all behind the couch. This is part of the rug. There's ants there. They gotta go. They have to go. So, let's get started. Only know this is making me cringe. All those ants, ew. And here I'm looking at the plant. It seems like it needs some TLC, so I'm doing that. Keep on watching. Alright guys, the ants are gone. So I got all that cleaned up. Oh my God, I couldn't take it. Did y'all see all that? Oh, Jesus. Okay, that's all done. So we're gonna go ahead and go in the kitchen and get us some stuff made. Guys, you might hear the garbage truck outside if you hear a lot of noise in the background. So I'm going to use my container here, my spray bottle. And guys, I have some lemongrass, real lemongrass oil here. I'm going to use this. Can you guys see that? I'm going to use this And we're gonna just put some, couple of drops like that. And then I'm gonna add some water. And then we're gonna spray, like y'all said, in some areas. Okay? We're gonna spray. I had neem oil in here, so hopefully that still works, but we can put some more drops in here. I'm gonna have to remember to make sure I wash this out again really good with hot water so the neem oil can separate from the And I also thought that neem oil would, since it's good for plants, I thought it would also be good for the bugs as well. So yeah. All right, y'all, let's get to let's find some areas to spray, okay? You guys are gonna go with me while we spray. All right, let's spray by the front here. I'm only gonna spray like in the corners, guys, and then I'm gonna let you guys know over time if that works because she's tired, okay? So let's get on to the next corner, and that will be back over here where we were at. So we're gonna tackle that corner. I'm gonna spray all right here in the corner, all along the baseboard, and behind all that. And then I'm gonna put some in this corner here by this window sill. Oh, y'all know what too? As soon as I can find me a flower pot that stands up really tall, I'm gonna put this plant inside of it so it can stand up on the side of the couch in front by the window, set it in front of the window. It's gonna be so pretty so I can see my window. So let's go to the next part. All right, we're gonna do in this corner over here. And it's gonna smell so good in here, guys, so good. This corner, and let's go in the bathroom. Spray a couple corners. I can't take y'all in the office because she still have things to do in there. So we're gonna spray up under here. We're gonna spray, sorry if I'm spinning your heads, guys. We'll spray back here and behind the garbage can onto the wall, let it drip down. And we're gonna spray in the kitchen, guys, okay? Sorry if it's super bright, but oh my God, see there's an ant crawling right there on the freaking floor, okay? We're gonna spray along here. And I'm gonna do a little bit behind the dryer. Gonna go on the floor. Oh God, they're everywhere, y'all. They're everywhere. I wish you guys could see how much they trouble me. Good Lord, get out of here. I don't have any. I don't leave crumbs everywhere for them to have anything to eat. So they need to go. Okay, they need to go. So let's go in the back. All right, I'm going to spray in the bedroom a little bit, by the windows, in the corners, across the baseboards. Oh, let me update you guys too on our beautiful baby, okay? Let me put some more around here. I'm following you guys' instructions. Let's check on the baby. Look, y'all, look how much she's growing out. I wish I could do a time lapse, but yeah. All right, guys, so now I'm around the back. So I know it's super bright, and I'm sorry. It's a very sunny day here, which is a good thing. But I wanted to show you guys that I'm spraying every little ounce, all the relay vents and the baseboards. And I'm telling you, it smells so good in here. So good. Now in here, I don't have to do as much because I don't really see a lot in here, but I'm just going to spray along the corners, by the windows and the window sills, like so, and then we're done. Put a little over here. All right, guys, let's go check out the console table. Guys, right here I'm just showing you outfit a day and showing you what type of wax that I use, and this is the men wax. Right here, I'm just showing you how I went over it one time. I think I did it the one time and then I went over it another time and then I end up taking the cotton ball. If you guys didn't see, it's like a cotton pad. It's a cotton pad and I just took it and did around it. Now, as you can see, the top of the table has been dried for a couple of the days, and now I just took it outside so we can get it spray painted. And yeah, you will see in the end how it turned out after it been dried for a couple of days after it has been spray painted on the bottom. Hope you guys enjoying the video. All right, guys, are y'all ready to see her, how she is today? I'm going to throw in a clip right here or over there of what she did look like when I first got her. And yeah, we take it from there. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy. So the clip that you seen before this was the prior week. So that was, I think, last weekend. Today is Wednesday, April the 6th. So that video was, I can't remember. I know it was on a Saturday, so it could have been the 1st or something. So yeah, I'm gonna turn this camera around and I'm gonna show you, and we're gonna decorate the table, y'all. But this is what she looks like right now, and then we're gonna style her. So look, she came out really, really good, y'all, and she's actually dry. So I let her do her thing and have her time so she can really, you know, look really, really good. So look at that, so pretty. So guys, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? And yeah, let's get ready to style her in all her beauty. All right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. Bye. Till next time.